All right, I'm gonna record this CS session. Say it all you fucking want. I can blur that shit out.
No rights.
Well, if we just keep saying it, so it's the entire like video.
What if that's the only word that we say? Every call out's replaced with
Yeah, fucking. What if I just kept saying like what?
This is gonna be the intro to the video, isn't it? Evan, please. I didn't pay to go to the fucking retard choir.
Stands for freedom, and they can't take that away.
Evan, hold your composure.
Good luck, have fun, says man.
The American, or at least trying to
Hey!
Gave that right to me.
Oh, they're running it down mid. They're running it down mid.
I literally shot him with the R8 in the head.
Aye!
I thought you were
God damn
the R8 shot.
Tried going in the door.
Damn that Steven.
Come on,
How you dying, caveman?
I wasn't expecting him to be running out like that. Get the ace out of here.
You listen to Caesar. You listen to Caesar.
Chicken.
Oh, where am I going?
I'm the motherfucker.
I don't think I've ever seen people run it down mid for the beginning of the round.
Fucking one in apartments.
Motherfucker, I'm sick.
Motherfucker, I'm. Oh, undead mid.
That
scared the fucking shit out of me.
Oh fuck!
You would have just waited 1 second when he shot you.
Oh fuck, that was horrifying.
Just got R8 in the back of the fucking cranium.
I one-digged the fuck out of somebody down mid, and then I got fucking JFK'd.
That shit.
Oh, run away! 9/11. Riding into 9/11 like a
No.
cottonwood bush. God
Evan, it's
damn
gonna
it.
happen quick.
nice.
Oh,
Nice. I beat my meat to your fucking mom. There.
God damn it.
I beat my your fucking mom. The one's coming from Banana.
He's the nanner sandwich eater.
Don't worry.
There too, there's Banana. You bring great dishonor to my AK.
How many shots?
Well.
I am 95.
I know it depends
You know
on
what's
how
funny?
many
I'm
ribs
pretty
you've
sure
got.
you
Depends on
No,
how
you
many of
lowered
those
both of
shots
them
you
a
actually
lot.
plan on hitting.
I hit the other one for 32, so
I hit that man 95.
It depends on how many ribs you think of taking out of him.
it's not open.
Pain.
Without love.
Oh, it hurts.
Swing on him, faggot, right now. That ain't swinging that jigger
look
figure.
out, Dad's not coming home.
Are you singing that to his kids?
Yep.
Oh, you're gonna get a folded flag in the mail. Why?
Hold him out when the screen shakes a little bit.
That'll land.
Ow. Ow.
Hey, I got the fucking mid smoke down.
What?
Got it.
Move!
He's
Molly.
here under the
Adam,
fucking
that's
bean dipping. You eat fucking Dippin' Dots.
Ice cream of the future.
Please.
Don't worry, I got him. He's
Banana.
dead. Bomb's down, I just realized.
Oh fuck! There's another one.
Oh, he's the last one. I got bomb. Don't worry about it. Never mind. Give me the SG.
You motherfucker.
want my op? Good.
I'll take it.
I was gonna drop it to him because I blew his head off.
Oh, what's he gonna do with that thing?
Point it.
And that's about it.
Evan, he has more kills than you.
Head right now, Evan. When you're ready, your fucking head.
Evan, he has more kills than you.
Okay.
That's a mean man thing to do.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's hot everywhere. Fucking Christ. I'm burning. I'm burning alive. I'm burning alive.
What?
How many fucking... Oh my... That was Hitler that ran down Banana.
I think no one won fucking day.
Don't worry, long range Nova, 10 for 10.
That was nasty.
Oh,
Adam, how the fuck do you hit shots like that whenever... I could be standing still aiming at their head 10 feet away and I'll miss. And they're standing still.
It's all about the flicks.
That is.
about that,
You
baby.
have to flick to hit a deagle shot.
Truly. Wow, they were ready for that angle. Jesus Christ.
This is gonna be the last round. Probably.
Intestinal blockage. Holy shit, I just run boosted off of somebody on accident.
That was Cooter. Check the grenade down there. Oh, that's fucking. I hit him twice for 66 with the deagle, but he gets some
I
lucky little
hit 2 of them
headshots.
for 80.
Cody, Evan, get up in there. They're all sucked.
Jump over that wall.
Oh,
Fire and
Rev up those engines.
Oh shit!
That's a Hotman right there. Dennis Hotman. Damn, I'm holding my butt plugs.
That motherfucker came swinging. Good lunch, have fries.
Did the funny.
Yeah? I did the laughable.
He did the dying.
Nice laugh! Oh shit, my phone fell off the table.
Falling back to mid.
oh, there's one useless at 77.
Oh my god, why?
And of course, Cody can't fucking do anything even when he has no fucking health.
Wait, they may fake it. Oh, damn, they ain't faking it!
Cody, did they make it?
Dude.
Suck.
Chatterboxes fucking stink.
If it's on the Negev,
I just hate the
I like
Galil.
it.
There's a chatterbox on the Negev?
that's what
Yeah.
it's from.
Yeah.
You uncultured swine.
I thought his first implication,
just
you
got-
motherfucker.
He's
Yeah, that's what happened, you fucking idiot.
That was a right click too.
Man, look at me, I'm hating.
Yeah?
That's what I want to. That's what I want to say at your burial.
Oh, I
At
can't
your
see.
wake.
I mean, I had him for like 69 or 2, and it's like, come on.
Ow, I
man.
can't see.
Blind as
Yeah,
shit,
man.
can't see. I wish I could display my screen to see how fucking laggy it is. I'm done.
Curl up like a little baby, I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna suck on my thumb, and I'm gonna be like,
I can't do anything. I can't play.
Is that what baby do when they suck?
No! What the fuck?
I didn't even
Event.
oh, is there a tater biscuit?
God fucking damn it.
Adam, that was the cleanest shot I ever seen.
Oh, fuck.
Adam, that's not on you, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, farting.
You're out of your fucking mind. You're a fucking goofy goober, son.
You're a goofy goober, son.
God damn it.
You're a goofy goober, son.
Oh, yeah, you're like Carl.
goober, son.
Jimmy, you're a goofy goober.
Jimmy's
Jimmy.
Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom has got it going on.
I hate this.
I'd love to eat her.
Oh shit.
What's wrong, Jimmy Coon? Gonna do your crazy like
Is your pussy wet for daddy, kitten?
God damn it.
Every daddy. Alright. Feels good. Inside. Oh, that's the whole team. Don't go in there, dummy. Wow, you're the biggest I've ever seen. I've never seen one browner than you. Stomping along with your big hazelnut toes. And your big old nose, you can sniff me from a mile away. You're like a dog, man. Fuck you. I'm like a god, man.
Did you
see black man the powers of the Antichrist. Now beg me for forgiveness, or you're gonna be sacrificed. My name is James Jr. I got the power without the sun. The truck! Technology. Yeah, I'm the chosen one. Jam me up while I'm rocking. Rocking with my jam. Can't stop the jam, motherfucker.
What the fuck?
That was a big jump.
What the fuck?
Why that jump
That was the
so
most
much?
intelligent play I've seen from them.
That's saying something, because that's a bottom frag who's retarded.
Wow, they called a timeout. I've never seen a bigger gaggle of queers in my life.
I only hit him once. I thought of him whenever he fucking jumped up first.
What's wrong, Sheen? I'm sorry, Sheen. I'll be on my way now.
Well,
Get me.
I'll show you.
Oh, yeah.
I like Evan's version of Sheen.
Yeah.
He's just a Skeletor. He's just a Skeletor.
Yeah, see? I'm a nice man.
Yeah, my international harvester. Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee. It gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. We made rubber on the Georgia asphalt. I molested a child. I love raping. Rape me. Oh yeah.
That's my favorite Wheezer song.
Alright. Rape's good. So tight. I strangled a baby.
I didn't say you got nice.
I got angry at my younger sibling when they were a newborn and I put a pillow over their head.
Jesus Christ, Carl.
Hmm.
This isn't the time. I know it's show and tell, but you don't have to tell everything.
Have you ever put butter on a Pop-Tart?
God damn it.
It's so freaking good. I like my pussy on the rocks. It's a martini. Ow.
Oh! Oh! Where the fuck is he? He's on fucking electrical box. He's coming down the white box.
I am ascending above your mortal realm. I have transcended the astral plane with my use of psychedelics.
When will this bit fucking die?
My skin. I nurture my skin. Shh. Don't tell anyone. To the go on jingle. I nurture my skin. Jimmy, please tell your mom I want her to step on my cock and balls in high heels. Oh. Oh. Jimmy, can you invent a castrating device? I'm begging and pleading you to fucking castrate me.
459.
One push garage.
He's dead.
What?
right?
Fucking poor Jack. Yeah, he is.
What? He's lit 29. Guess I didn't hit him much.
Oh my fucking.
Oh my god,
Christ.
he fucking ran into the fire.
That's
That
crazy.
dude forklift is lit a lot. He's lit like 88.
But you fail to realize is I am also lit alive.
That man fucking died in a fire just to kill me. I think there's one truck. Oh, one being a stinky boy. What is that camera angle?
Yes, I got my title.
And what's that? Clickbait.
Sounds like someone's breaking in.
Storm Dick. Sit down.